everyone will understand. Hare Krishna. That is proved. We are going to Africa, we are going to Canada, Europe, America, everyone chants Hare Krishna. That is the language. When a young man and young woman loves one another, there is no question of language. My Guru Maharaj used to say that suppose you are in a foreign country, you do not know the language, but when there is fire, you get friends without any language. You see? In the beginning of British rule, there are not very many English knowing Indian. So a clerk in his office was working. So monkey came and he scattered the office papers. So after the monkey was driven away, he was collecting the papers. In the meantime, his English boss came. What is this man? So he could not say. He began to jump. You see? Monkey sir, monkey sir, monkey sir. All right, that's all right. Simply to inform without any language, you can jump. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. And he will understand. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. बोलिए बोरा जी, ठीक है? हाँ। करके वो प्रीच कीजिए, इसमें कोई ज़्यादा मुश्किल नहीं है. हरे कृष्ण एंड डांस, डू दिस. For constructing 4 buildings like that. Krishna took part in politics. What is his politics? What is his sociology? What is his culture?
Support the right minority? Support the right minority?
There is no question of minority. Support the right person. Krishna supported Maharaj Yudhishthira in place of Duryodhana. Though formally it was monarchy. That is perfect politics. This democracy is useless. It has proved. One man, the king, he should be properly educated, how to rule, what is the aim of ruling, how the people will be culturally elevated, what is that culture. There was a consulting board of learned Brahmins and saintly persons. They would advise the monarch how to rule.
This is the land.
This is the land?
Yeah, we're walking over it.
Elizabeth in England, she's got a what she calls a think tank or a board of advisors who meet and advise her on different policies.
Privy Council.
Something like that. It's called a think tank. She has named it. It's presided over by Lord Goodman.
No. The thing is, unless the people are Krishna conscious, either this board or that board, that will not help.
Yes.
First of all, people should know what is the aim of life, what is culture, how the human activity should be directed. People should know first of all this. Otherwise, changing from frying pan to the fire, it is useless. That is going on. That change, revolution, is going on. Just like the Russian people, they changed the Tsarist government into communist government, revolution. But still they are unhappy. They are trying to change by another revolution. This is going on. Puna char vita char banana. This is described in the Shastra as chewing the chewed. Or the same simple philosophy. This side of stool is better than that side. So he keep the whole thing stool. This side, the dry side is better, and the moist side, the wet side is bad. And this is no philosophy. It must not be stool. It must be gold. Then it is all right. This side or that side. That philosophy, that the dry side of stool is better than the wet side, this will not help. The first of all, human society must know what is the aim of life. Nati vidushartha gating Vishnu. We are part and parcel of God, Krishna, Vishnu. We are suffering on account of our relationship with God. This is the cause of our suffering. Then we have to make plan how to revive our lost relationship with God. Then everything is there in the Vedic literature. All directions are there. So we have to, just like when we are in danger, we consult some learned man or physician or a lawyer. Similarly, you have to consult the Vedic culture, how perfect it is. This way. Then everything is there. You haven't got to manufacture anything. And the Bhagavad Gita is the gist idea of all Vedic culture. And our propaganda is to establish the gist idea of Bhagavad Gita. That is Krishna consciousness. So, therefore I am asking, what is the politics of Krishna? Krishna's politics was to have a king of the world, which Krishna conscious, a devotee of Krishna. That is the Krishna's politics. He wanted to replace the first politic is to replace these so-called leaders' demands. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Hare.
Where is that land? This land?
You already walked over it.
Oh.
You're talking, so I don't want to interrupt. You're
Ah.
on the way to that land over there. On the
Oh,
way
where,
back,
are,
you can
where are those boys? That
They must be-
Swarupananda?
They may have gone back to the temple now.
Hmm.
Or what did you? Here's our orchard. This land I'm sending because different land takes different time. So I'm sending both information out for this land here. It goes from this path, this over to the other side of the barley,
Hmm.
right to the river edge.
Hmm.
20 bigas, or this one 10 bigas, whichever is first.
Hmm.
This is more fertile. For agriculture, this
So, which one you like?
whichever is possible. I mean, as he says, first come, first serve.
All right. So arrange, during his stay, arrange something.
Something available near our place, near the temple.
This is the old riverbed, isn't it?
Hmm?
In the river? Yes.
On the other side of the river.
This plot goes right
It will help us.
Sugar is a poison actually.
এই রাস্তাটা তো ভালো আছে।
Oh, there's a big road.
Ah. So you purchased on this side land?
This land is for sale with this dal here.
Ah.